Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can fix the Opera browser keeps crashing issue in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let us show you a couple of possible approaches or solutions to this, guys. So what you can do is, in the first step of course, launch the Opera browser and see if the hardware/graphics acceleration is causing this issue, and to disable it temporarily, at least to see if it fixed the issue. So to do that, click into that Opera icon in the top left, select Settings, and after that navigate to the system settings on the left hand side and disable graphics acceleration temporarily. A relaunch or restart of the Opera browser may be necessary, and after the restart, monitor your browser's performance and see if it fixed the issue. If it hasn't, it's time to approach step number 2, and that would be to update your browser. So to do that, again, click into that icon in the top left and select Update and Recovery. And here, guys, after that, Opera will look for the newest or most recently released version. And sometimes these updates may include, for instance, various patches or fixes for these issues. So if Opera detects a new version to download, you will see this notification here that it needs a restart or relaunch. So click into this button, or you may install the update also by clicking into that icon here, and you will see the notification here that Opera needs to be restarted to install the update. If that hasn't fixed the issue either, guys, a browser recovery may be needed, and you will find the recovery feature just below the update feature here. So in this case, click into Recover and choose one of these options. You may either keep your browsing data, for instance, like the installed or used search engine, various browser settings, extensions, and so on and so forth. Or if you'd like to delete these and perform a stronger reset or recovery, you may use that option below, Reset My Data and Opera Settings. Click into this button after that and see if it fixed the issue. If none of that has fixed the issue, guys, you may also consider uninstalling the Opera browser on your device. To do that, navigate to the directory of your installed applications on your Windows computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Navigate to Opera, click into Uninstall here, and after that, download and install the Opera browser with its factory settings from the Opera browser website again. And that's it, guys. There's also one additional or optional approach, and that would be disabling and removing all extensions that may be causing this issue and may be causing these freezes and crashes on Opera browser. So to do that, navigate to the Extension Management Center. You may access it here in the top right corner by clicking into Extensions here, or through that icon in the top left, navigate to Extensions and click into this button here, and make sure that you go through that list here of all extensions. Not only disable them, but remove them if possible. That one here, I can't remove it, I don't know why, but if you have installed extensions and they might be causing this issue, you may consider disabling and removing them from that list. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.